exquisite planning video here on my channel, Exquisite Glow. Today I am going to be opening up and sharing with you guys the Wellness Planner Companion Kit. This is a Planner Companion accessories kit, and you can kind of put this into your regular planner, or you can add this to your working out planner. There is a digital detox one which I also picked up, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys, but this video specifically will be for this companion kit. Again, it's the wellness one. There is 272 pieces in this kit. I'm super excited that they did these because you get a little bit of everything within the kit, so you can test things out, and if you really like them, you can go out and purchase like all the stickers or like the sticker book, or you know, they have these on their own as well. I noticed the self-reflection paper, they have those on their own as well that you can purchase separately. But this just gives you a little taste of everything. Plus it comes with a really cool little bracelet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. All right. So first we'll start off with the bracelet itself. Okay. So this is how it arrives. It says, wear this bracelet as a reminder to take time for yourself, stay positive, and start each day with a grateful heart. And it's the purple. It's the color purple. And it has a nice little disc charm like that. And then on the back it says shine bright. So that's really nice. Again, in my previous video I opened the workout or the fitness one, and it's black. The string is black, and this is how you can adjust it. You can open it, slip it in your hand, and then you pull on the strings to fasten it or to make it tighter. So that's really cool. Again, the string is a little stiff, not stiff, but you know, it's firm, and it's coated with a little bit of wax, which helps with the yarn not fraying. But little by little it'll get softer as the days go by, and it's just a nice little reminder, again, to start your day with a grateful heart. Now let's get to the other goodies. I'm going to keep this on the side for reference, and it comes in the accessories come in a nice folder. They open like this. Let's just check out the back. So it's just purple with some lines on it. Alright, and I'm just going to pull from this side first. Alright, so we have some removable decals, and it's like a clear sticker. Own your magic. And I know for sure that what we dwell on is who we become, so that's nice. Not sure, I need to like look into decals more. I mean, I can put them, I guess, on like on a computer or on anything, I'm not sure, but they're really pretty. You can even put them on your planner or on a notebook to spruce it up. So you got that. The next, let me just pull everything out of there. It'll be easier. All right, so the first set that we have, these are the mood tracking paper. There is 20 sheets of them, and they have a nice weight to them. Like one paper has like a good weight to it. It's not super flimsy. Like it has, you know, some sturdiness to it. And this is what it looks like. Let me just pull one up. It has a date section here on top. It says all the feels. Has a section for your current mood, and you can fill in the emoji. Like if you're happy, put a smiley face. If you're sad, put a sad face, angry, blah, 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 you know. So on and so forth. And you have little things that bring me joy. So you can note them on here, the little things that bring you joy. Simple ways I can be kind to others, and you can note that. So the base is a grid, and then you have these. And then you have a highlight section, what made me happy, and a low moment, how I can improve. So a lot of self-reflection. And then there is a back part to it. It says ways to take care of myself. So you have your physically section and mentally, again on top of dot grid. And then you have your checklist with the stars. And then here you have a grateful for section, and that's a dot grid as well. dot semi-solid grid, and then time for self, little stamp there. So you get 20 of these. I'm excited to use those out, see how figure them out in my planner. Then the next, okay, so this is the self-reflection paper. There's 20 sheets of these as well. And here is a close-up. So there's a section for a date, just checking in, I am, I love, I want, I need, what I loved about today, how I was empowered, and how I showed kindness. So you got grid, and then you have lines up here. Then we have the back side, and it says morning reflection. You can write down your morning reflection. This is a dot grid, and your evening reflection. So this is more of a daily one, it seems like. So we got those. Then on this side, so you got a vertical pocket and a horizontal pocket. Pull this out. Looks like we have some cards here. These are some affirmation cards. So we have Own Your Magic. And on the back it's just a solid grid. We have Just Breathe that has some gold foiling to it with a grid. We have a gratitude jar, take time to be thankful, and then a grid in the back. And then a daily reflection, so a light bulb, and a grid on the back. So those are some affirmation cards. Then the next thing on here is the half sheet note paper. You get 10 of these. This is all for classic. I didn't see that they have it for the big planner, like for the big happy planner. This is all for like the classic size. So if we have a half sheet, it's for the classic size unless otherwise stated. So weekly check-in, and you have your from to date, mind, body, and soul. Then you have 3 habit trackers here. And then on the back, it's just dotted grid all the way through. Again, 10 of these. Then the next, so everything it's well put together with this plastic. What you can do though, like to not waste the plastic, you can use them as dashboards for sticky notes, and you can just, you know, cut it and then punch it with the happy planner hole punch or punch, and then you can just stick your stickies on it. So I'm actually going to hold on to that for that specific purpose. And then we have some stickers. You get 212 stickers. So here is the first one. So you got a habit tracker for a full 31 days, some washi strips, and some hearts. This is a clear sticker. It has some gold. Sorry about the lighting. Might have to adjust it on the computer. And we have some faces, emojis. You can fill in the faces. Be happy, relax, be present, be mindful, disconnect, reflect, breathe, me time, gratitude, focus on the good, stay positive, and create. Then these are more paper stickers. You have the jar here again. I think it's super cute. Some squiggly lines, own your magic. My focus word, you can write your focus word on these paint swatches. I am, I love. And then we have some dot icons, hearts, lotus flower, some moon with some Z's, text or message, light bulb, unplug. Then we have some hearts, lotus again, and it goes on. And then the last sticker page, you have some half stickers, half box stickers with a note to self, and then time for self, circle dots. All right, so those are all the stickers that come in the kit. And then the last 2 items are these. These are the vision boards. This is what it looks like. So it has the same design as the actual folder. It all came in. So much happy, relax, refresh, renew. Then the back just looks like that. This one's more like cardstock paper, so definitely heavier weight than the regular paper. And then my focus word, I know for sure that what I dwell on is who I become. Oprah Winfrey. Okay. And then wellness goals, grateful for, love yourself, and all the feels. So those are the 2 vision boards that came in it. And that is everything in the Wellness Planner Companion Accessory Kit. Super cute. Love it. Let me know if you picked this one up or which other ones you plan on picking up. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video and enjoying these more detailed, closer up type of videos, because when I go online to look at things for the Happy Planner site, usually everything is, they show it, but it's just tiny, and if you zoom in, it's just blurry that you can't read the things. So that's why I really wanted to do these videos with the close-ups so that you guys can see it better, and you guys can see if you want to buy it or not. So I hope you enjoyed that, and go ahead and subscribe if you did, and if you want to see more, hit the notifications bell. I don't have a specific schedule right now, so it's important to hit the notifications bell so you know when I do upload. You'll get a little message letting you know. You're also welcome to follow me on my social media links that are in the description box and here on the screen. It is all at Exquisite Glow and Exquisite Planning. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye guys. Mwah.